We're going to do a tool review here of this half-inch impact wrench. I got a stuck water heater element for electric water heater, and even though usually I could get this thing to work, this tool, it sucks, but it's worked every time except this time. So we're going to see what this thing could do if we could bust this element free. So this is where we're at, and let's get to work. The socket size is 1.5 inches. Hex head 6-sided socket will work to take it out with a 1/2 inch drive. Let's see if this thing works. Holy shit, it worked. I did not think I was going to take it out. Alright, let's see the bottom one. This one. Well, this tool works like a champ.